Hello, today we're working still with inequalities, but we're talking about the number of solutions because there actually are options, just like equations, where you could have all real numbers or no solution. And here's how that can happen. If the statement is true and your variables eliminate, right? And you have something like -3 is less than 0. Is -3 less than 0? Yeah, that's true. Then your solution is all real numbers. And the graph looks like this. It'll have all the numbers and all of them will be shaded in with the arrows saying it goes on forever. Here's your other case. If false, like 4 is less than -1, that's not true. 4 is not less than -1. Then the solution is no solution with an empty graph. So you would still put it, you'd still draw your number line, but you would leave the graph blank. Here's an example, our first one that we're working with. We have, it's kind of hard to see, I'll rewrite it next to it. 5 times m plus 5 is less than 5m plus 7. So first thing I'm going to do is distribute the 5 to the parentheses, and I get 5m plus 25 is less than 5m plus 7. Now I'm going to eliminate my variables by subtracting 5m from both sides, and you see 5m minus 5m, that's 0, plus 25 is 25. 5m minus 5m is 0, plus 7 is 7. Is 25 less than 7? No, that's not true. So my answer would be no solution. And I would draw an empty graph if they asked me to graph 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever, maybe 5 numbers. Leave it blank. Done. For my second one here, I want you to practice this one. I have 1 minus 8x is less than or equal to -4 times 2x minus 1. I distribute the -4. I get -8x, -4 times -1, that's +4, less than or equal 1 minus 8x. Eliminating my variables, I'm going to add 8x to both sides. Let's see what happens. I then have 1, -8x plus 8x is 0. Less than or equal, -8x plus 8x is 0, plus 4 is 4. Is 1 less than or equal to 4? It's less than, so it's true. So my answer is all real numbers. And that symbol is that, if you recall that. And if I drew a number line to represent this, 1, 2, 3, I would shade in the whole number line, make it really clear that I knew that this was all the numbers possible. All right, that's that.